Hello, this video is to demonstrate the use of the cutting board and the cutting board with cheese fork. One comes with a clamp and the other one sits on the table. First I'll show you the cutting board with cheese fork. As you can see, it's got a fork at one end, which is useful for if you're trying to cut cheese and it's moving around, then you can sort of fix it or stab it with the fork at the end. It's not terribly sharp, it's designed to pierce or cheesy type things, just to stop it from moving around. It's also got some heavier borders around the edges to stop, for doing sandwiches and things, to stop the bread from moving around on the cheese on the board. It's also got a couple of holes, which is for the clamp, to clamp it onto the table. And here's the clamp, which just fits in like this when I undo the. So I'll just go for fixing on into the table. I'll show you. Just move it off. So that would just fix onto the end like this once I get it wound up. Or you could put it, probably better still, you put it the other way around, so that the handle's facing the inside. So you can clamp that there. Now that's fixed, it won't move around when you're trying to cut things or do your sandwiches. Next is the other cutting board. This one hasn't got the clamp fittings, it's just got it's more like a tray with the handles underneath and some rubber stops underneath. It's got some spikes for holding bread or whatever. Just put your bread on top, and then it'll hold the whatever you're trying to cut in place, so it won't move around, meat or whatever. This is just the side view of the cheese fork with it clamped onto the table.